जय माँ, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, जय माँ। During British Raj, Indian freedom fighters fought for a long time against British brutality on the Indian innocent people and freedom fighters. You find here an episode on freedom fighting in India against British Raj, the imperialist British Raj. To evict the foreigners from the motherland of India, Indian freedom fighters fought for a long time with their valuable lives. So many dignitaries, scholars were involved in this freedom fighting against British Raj in India until British left in 1947. Here you find the episode of the Crusaders for freeing India from British imperialists. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram. First female freedom fighter, Kittu Chennamma. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the great freedom fighter of India, fought against British imperialists, and British was frightened about this brave leader, Subhash Chandra Bose, an iconic leader of India, great freedom fighters. Here you find another extraordinary episode. Here you find Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. Three were hanged to death on 23rd March. Here Chandrasekhar Azad, he shot himself dead at the end of an encounter in Alfred Park, Allahabad on 27th February. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev executed on 30th March, on 23rd March 1931 is observed as Martyrs' Day. Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru, three were hanged to death. Chandrasekhar Azad got himself dead by shot himself. Bal Gangadhar Tilak had to undergo 6 years rigorous imprisonment in Mandalay jail, Burma, from 1908 to 1914 for supporting Bengal's revolutionaries Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chaki's efforts to kill Chief Presidency Magistrate Douglas Kingsford. Dinesh Gupta shot himself, Badal Gupta swallowed cyanide, and Binoy Basu shot himself. Bhagat Singh is here. Bhagat Singh, the great martyr of India. Chandrasekhar Azad also, great martyr of India for freeing India from imperialist British. Female freedom fighters, here you find "40 Freedom Fighters of India", Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu, unknown historic facts about Sikh freedom fighters of India. Khudiram Bose, who was hanged to death. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. Male freedom fighters of India. Three eminent Muslim freedom fighters of India against British Empire. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, an icon leader of India, British was frightened about this great leader. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Cellular jail at Andaman Nicobar Island was built for the freedom fighters' punishment. Shahid Sukhdev Thapar, first female fighter from Mumbai, Savitri Bhai Phule. Simon Acts, agitation against brutal Simon Acts by the British government. Bhagat Singh, during imprisonment inside jail before being hanged to death. Bhagat Singh, before being hanged to death inside jail. Great tribal leader Tilka Majhi. First self-built soldier Tilka Majhi, the first Adivasi leader from Santal community. He took up arms against British Raj in 1784, around 70 years before Mangal Pandey revolt. Tilka Majhi attacked Cleveland's British Commissioner Lieutenant and Rajmahal with a gulal, a weapon similar to slingshot, who died later. The British surrounded the Tilapur forest from which Majhi operated, and he was finally caught in 1784. He was tied to the tail of a horse-drawn cart and dragged all the way to the collector's residence at Bhagalpur in Bihar. There, his lacerated body was hung from a banyan tree. Here you find 52 freedom fighters were hanged to death by hanging on the banyan tree. This is Tilka Majhi idol at Bhagalpur near SP office. And on his name, university was built, Tilka Majhi Bhagalpur University. Now you find another great tribal leader, Birsa Munda, in Jharkhand. He is Bhagat Singh here. Bhagat Singh inside prison before being hanged to death. Bhagat Singh inside prison before being hanged to death for killing an European officer. Tilka Majhi. A great tribal leader from Santal community. He was born on 11th February 1750 and died on 13 January 1785. Tilka Majhi. Tilka Majhi was hanged to death on the banyan tree along with other 52 freedom fighters of India. Tilka Majhi idol here. Bengali freedom fighters Dinesh Gupta, Badal Gupta and Binay Basu. Three were hanged: Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. You find here extremist leader versus moderate leaders. Three eminent Muslim freedom fighters of India against British imperialists. Top 25 popular women freedom fighters of India. "15 women freedom fighters of India." Adivasi women fighters of India. Legend of Birsa Munda, another tribal great leader of Jharkhand. He was born on 15 November 1875, was an Indian tribal independence and folk hero who belonged to the Munda tribe. He spearheaded a tribal religious millenarian movement that across in the Bengal presidency, now Jharkhand, in the late 19th century. And during the British Raj, he fought against tortures and exploitation by the local zamindars. And in retaliation, the local zamindars, the huge landowners, managed the British administrators to kill Birsa Munda on 9 June 1900. Why British administration joined with the landowners? Because Birsa Munda exposed the exploitation faces of Britishers and their conversion policy by Christianity. So he proclaimed his own organized faith for the Mundas, that is Birsaith, against Christianity, conversion on the tribals. Birsa was arrested on 24th August 1895 and imprisoned for 2 years. Again, Birsa was arrested on 3rd February 1900 for acting of violent protest against the Britishers, Christian missionaries, Jamindars, Rajas, etc. and his followers killed police constables and he was jailed. But mysteriously during his trial in jail custody, Birsa was suspected killed by the British police in prison custody as on 9th June 1900. Great leader of Jharkhand, Birsa Munda. There is a university on the name of Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda was worshipped as their guru, like Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda is a legend in Jharkhand. Birsa Munda idol. Birsa Munda statue in the different parts of Jharkhand, state of India. During the turbulent time of the freedom fighting against British, there was another episode of the freedom fighters, mostly from Bengal, were escaping from British tortures from Bengal and took shelters in different ashrams in India. Another episode you find here during the turbulent time, Ma Anandamayi Ashram given shelter to the freedom fighters, and British police also were following the freedom fighters wherever they find them. So the British police came inside the ashram of Raipur Ashram Dehradun when Ma Anandamayi was present there, and they raided the ashram trying to find the freedom fighters, but they failed to identify. Anyhow, some of them, of the freedom fighters, later on were initiated by Ma Anandamayi, and they were later on sannyasi, and they were given management of the ashrams, and they became also Secretary General also. Like they are here, Ma Anandamayi is worshipped in an artistic drawing. This is Swami Chinmayananda, who was a freedom fighter, took shelter with Ma Anandamayi Ashram and later on became sannyasi and was managing the ashram. Another is Swami Swarupananda, who was also a dreaded freedom fighter, and he was later on secretary of the Ma Anandamayi Ashram, Swami Swarupananda ji. And this is Panuda, who was nephew of Kalachand, and the Kalachand was associated with Aurobindo Ghosh. And this Brahmachari Panuda was given the in charge of Varanasi Ashram. Kalachand, a freedom fighter and associate of Sri Aurobindo, joined Ma Rachi Ashram after passing a long period in the jail at Andaman Island. Please share and subscribe this video. And during freedom fighting against British Raj, Ma Anandamayi had a lot of contribution for giving shelter to the freedom fighters to free India from British imperialists. Jai Ma. Thank you all. Jai Ma. Jai Ma. Jai Ma.